Hey there, YouTube enthusiasts! In today's video, I'll show you how to easily share a YouTube video link from your mobile device. Whether you're sending it to a friend or sharing it on social media, this quick guide will have you covered. Let's dive right in. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device and make sure you're signed into your account. Next, find the video you want to share. You can use the search bar or browse through your recommended videos. Once you've found the video, tap on it to open the video player. Below the video player, you'll see the Share button. Tap on that. A list of sharing options will appear. You can choose to send the link via a messaging app, email, or share it directly on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and more. Just select your preferred sharing method. Follow the prompts depending on the app or platform you're using. You may need to select a contact or enter recipient information. After confirming, the video link will be shared successfully. And that's it. You've learned how to share a YouTube video link from your mobile device in just a few easy steps. It's a quick way to spread your favorite content with friends or your online community. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more YouTube tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.